Hello everyone, welcome back into my new video. In this video you will see how it looks like when your YouTube channel is approved. So as you can see, here is my YouTube channel. It is approved maybe a month ago. So how it looks like when our channel is approved and we can earn money from YouTube channel. To check out for how it looks like to approve our YouTube channel, go to your YouTube channel creator studio. So from here you can check out how it looks like when your YouTube channel is approved. After that you're able to earn money from YouTube channel. So YouTube channel is very famous to earning lots of money in one day, in 1 month. So it is the dashboard is in 1 month. So here is monetization. You can use ads to monetize your videos, view your monetization things. So how it looks like this, as you can see, it is enable my channel, it is approved. So here is account status. Your account is enabled for monetization. You can monetize videos from your video manager. So but I have already monetized my all videos from video manager. So here is the guidelines and information. How can my videos make money? So how much will my videos earn, and what types of videos are eligible and which videos are not eligible. So how do I leave the YouTube partner program? So here is, once your video is submitted and approved for monetization, YouTube will place ads inside or near the video. You will earn revenue generated from the ads. If you want to learn more, just click here for more information. So just I have clicked it for you. So it is very famous site and website to earn lots of money in 1 month. As I know, lots of person they earn money in 1 month, $20,000 in 1 month. They earn the money from YouTube channel. So just follow the all instruction that community guidelines of the YouTube channel. So but here is the how much will my video earn. So here's your earnings will depend on a number of things, like the type of ads appearing on your video and the pricing of those ads. Another factor may be the agreement you signed with your MSN. If you have question about your agreement, contact your MSN directly. What's MSN? MSN is that I have contracted with another network connection. After that, when I connected with another network connection, it looks like a social blade, and yeah, and one of that is also Google AdSense. So it is the all of the networks have the MSN. The price is sometimes is up and low. They're different. So that I have suggested, just wait when your channel is approved after the reviewing the YouTube channel thing. So maybe here is so, and also here is my dashboard of YouTube channel that I have control all my videos from here. So here is, yeah, and also here are the comments of my videos, and also here's the community guidelines of the test. So maybe I have already passed in test. So just keep watching this video if you like my video. Just and here is the community guidelines, all of the videos and channel. Now I want to go back, and also here is the after June 1st the ability to watch your YouTube actions, uploads, likes, videos, etc. on Twitter and Google Plus will no longer be available. I don't know what the reason is that, so for learning more information about that I have to click on learn more. So here is the all of thing that you have need. So I suggest you maybe be passion to improve your channel, share videos and channels. Here are the tips when you share a video on YouTube or receive a short video from a YouTube contact. A private chat is created where recipient can view and discuss the video. You can watch your video directly your chat conversation. So here is the all the thing that you need. So here is the short channels. Go to the channel page and the browser address for copied URL, paste URL wherever you want to share it. So I have already do that this action, so I don't want to do anything of this. So I hope to enjoy my videos. Please